Hi everyone! Check out the Montana West Rivets studded tote bag, a stylish Western two-tone vintage handbag with a wallet set. Made from soft, vegan leather, this distressed shoulder bag features rivet studs for a unique textured look and easy cleaning. Inside, you'll find one spacious compartment divided by a medium zippered pocket, plus additional zippered and open pockets for organized storage. The bag also includes a zippered CC pocket on the back to keep your essentials secure. Its size is perfect for daily use, measuring 11.5 inches long, 4.2 inches wide, and 11.5 inches high. This versatile tote is ideal for any occasion, blending old-school charm with modern practicality. Experience the perfect combination of fashion and function with this Montana West handbag. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.